and likes shopping. However, she doesn't like going to the supermarket. When she finishes her working day, the shops in her neighborhood are usually crowded. She has to stay in line for hours. She prefers shopping online. Recently, she has found out about a new service. They offer free delivery to her home. Now she's sitting in front of her laptop trying to pick some fresh fruits and vegetables. And also needs to buy some meat and dairy products. After she picks all the foods, she pays them with her credit card. The shop employee calls her and confirms the delivery. He clarifies her address and another information. In 2 hours, the food is at her home and she can cook dinner.